Mr. Brown. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, sugar. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
That's good. Let me say that. If I was 40 years younger, I'd give you this chitty chitty bang bang ding dong dong.
Yuck! What the fuck? Some of y'all really need to get your grandfather, your granddad, pop, grandpa, Joe, whatever you call them, under control. Because they are out here acting a hot fucking mess. Listen, there is nothing wrong with giving a younger woman a compliment. But when you go out of control, like, damn, you looking sexy as hell. If I was 40 years younger, I wouldn't be born. So it doesn't matter how many years younger you were, I would not be born. Like, it's so awkward. Like, it's happened to me before. I remember someone was like, yo, Rosetta, so-and-so for think you looks good. And I'm just thinking like, okay, you know, whatever. Then the old man was like, hell yeah, I think she looked good. And I'm like, thank you, but there's another way about going about it. Or I can't stand them old men that think all the young ladies want them. And they always be like, back in my day, I was suave. I was the shit. All the ladies want me. Okay, but now you're older and you're bald and your breath smells bad and you just kind of stink. So nobody wants you now. Listen, like I said, there is nothing wrong with giving us young women compliments. But do it in a grandpa-ly way. Grandpa-ly way, that's not even a word. But do it in an oldie way. Like, oh, you're a very beautiful young lady. You're very attractive. Don't tell me if you was 40 years younger, you give me that stale dick. I don't want it. I do not want it. Like, what can you do for me, Pop? Can I get some of your Social Security money? Can I get your disability check? I don't even want it, honestly and truly. But some of y'all just be coming at us thinking we want y'all. We don't want you. Y'all be coming at us strong, like you have something to offer us. Granted, I'm not saying I'm a gold digger, like, I'm not. But I'm just saying, what do you have to offer when you coming so strong on us? Like I said before, y'all have to really, really get y'all grandfathers under control. Thank you for watching. Until next time, if you like what you see, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time. Thank you. Mwah, 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 mwah.